Now, let's learn about zincography and its meaning.
I haven't heard of this term before. What does it mean?
Zincography is a noun that refers to a printing process using zinc plates. These plates are specially prepared to hold an image or text, which is then used for printing. It was commonly used in the 19th century for creating maps, illustrations, and other detailed prints.
Oh, so it's a specific type of printing technique involving zinc plates?
Exactly. Let me give you a quick story to illustrate how it works. Imagine it's the late 1800s. You're visiting a printing workshop where an artist is engraving a design onto a smooth zinc plate. Once the plate is ready, it's coated with ink on the engraved areas. The printer presses paper onto the inked plate, transferring the design to the paper. This process is called zincography. Zincography was revolutionary for its time, making it easier to reproduce detailed images and text. Let's see how zincography can be used in sentences. Zincography was widely used in the 19th century to produce maps and illustrations. This highlights its historical importance in printing. The artist specialized in zincography, creating intricate designs for newspapers. Here, it refers to the skill of using zinc plates for printing. The museum showcased early works of zincography, including beautifully detailed maps. This emphasizes the artistic and historical value of zincography. Modern printing methods have largely replaced zincography, but it remains a fascinating part of print history. This shows how technology has evolved from older methods like zincography.
So, zincography is a historical printing process using engraved zinc plates.
Exactly. It was a groundbreaking technique in its time and contributed significantly to art and publishing.
That's really interesting. I'll remember it when I think about old printing techniques.
Perfect. It's a great term to know for anyone curious about the history of printing.